So in a previous video I broke my tripod. Yeah, this is the last time I used that thing. It's about to just collapse. So I went out to Amazon and bought this one. UBeeSize it's called. It's a 51 inch I believe, or 50 inch. So I'm going to go ahead and open it and we'll see what it's like. It's kind of nice that they give you a little carrying thing like this here. I mean, you can put these over your shoulder. Oh, it's a UBeeSize TR50, so it's going to be a 50 inch, not a 51 inch. I think the 51 inch was like $10 more or something stupid like that. Oh, ooh, wow. Feels heavy duty. Got one of these things that I just installed the other day. Looks like this here is where you're going to put your phone, and then you would just take this and kind of screw it on top of that. Okay, what else do we have? I have a little booklet on how to use the Bluetooth remote. Like I said, I just set one up the other day, so I don't think I'm actually going to need to use that. But it does come in handy. Well, hopefully it will. Then of course we have the actual user manual operating instructions. Okay, well, they said it feels like it has a nice weight to it. It feels like metal, not some cheap plastic. Okay. So first I'm going to fold the legs out. Wow, that's pretty cool. Turn this knob here to kind of prevent the rotation, I guess. Yeah. And then to stop this from happening, I'm going to assume I just twist this lever. And I am correct. And that's actually really, really cool, is they have a level right here on the side. So if you want to make sure your phone's perfectly level or at a certain angle, you can. This is the actual phone holder. So then I would just take my phone, instead of having it in there, I could actually probably use, well, no, that's the piece that's cracked, so never mind. I would need something like this, just put my phone in it. Well, I would screw it on like this first, and then put my phone in it. Oh, well, apparently there's like a little knob underneath that you have to hold as your... There we go. Okay. Then you just insert your phone. It's got 3 different levels of adjustment for the legs. Let's just do the one. Well, might as well do them all. So that's the first height, and I take it, you just pop it back like that to lock it in place. Wow. Yeah, so I mean, it extends up pretty high there. Alrighty, well, I'll go ahead and I'm going to try to use my phone.